When Claire, the digital assistant for property managers, was released, we started building out this concept of concierge. So the concierge service is where Claire can talk on any communication medium that we've defined. So email, SMS, telephony, Google Home, Google Assistant, email, all these different communication mediums, but she can have a real conversation with tenants 24 hours a day, 7 days a week as an after hours concierge or both within hours. And then she'll talk back to the trust accounting software like a real human being and add the notes and do voice to text and create jobs and tasks where necessary, assign them to the plumber or electrician or whoever needs to get it. Claire has learned all of these skills as a concierge and as a digital assistant to the property manager. For the end tenant, they see higher response rates. They see jobs being created automatically and immediately. They see details that they're given when they ask them, when they want to ask them. It doesn't matter if it's 1 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday night. The concierge service is always open. This service offering is available as a brandable one. So you don't have to use Property Realm. You can have talk to First National, for example, or any of these other brands. You just have to work with our onboarding team and we'll set up the full branding for you so that they can have a real conversation with a real artificial intelligence that helps them get things done. So that's the Realm Concierge service. Give us a call, go to the link below to set up a demo and a free trial in February, March of 2020. Thanks very much. Have a great day.